This is a short tutorial on screen recording on your iPad. To get started with screen recording, you want to make sure that the screen recording shows up in your control center. So to get it to show up in your control center, the first thing that you need to do is go into your settings, and then you go into the control center and customize controls. Here you will see that the screen recording is already in my control center. If it is not, you will see it down below in more controls. You click the green plus button, then it will show up in your include in your control center. You can then move your screen recording anywhere that you like in your control center. And now I'll show you the control center and you can see where it populates. To access your control center, you swipe up from the bottom of the screen. Your control center appears along with all the apps that are currently open on your iPad. And you will see right now that my control center here, the screen recording is located just below my camera icon. If you do a long press on the screen recording, you have the option, if you haven't started your screen recording, to start recording, and then the option to have your microphone audio on or off. If it's on, of course, you can then talk through your screen recording. If it's off, your screen will only record the movements on your screen. You can see at the very top of the screen there you have that red box, and that will tell you that your screen is currently being recorded. If you tap on the box, you have the option then to stop the screen recording. You can also do that from your control center by doing the long press to stop the recording. Once you have stopped your recording, you will get a little pop-up box that will show you that your screen recording has been saved to your photos, so you can then go there and access your screen recordings and then share them out multiple different ways, in mail, through YouTube, through Google Classroom, and then there are several other options under More. I hope this video has been helpful. That is how you can do some screen recording on your iPad.